There is a notion in WWE that John Cena has buried other superstars during his time. But there have been countless occasions where Cena didn't shy away from taking the defeat to put someone else over. Here are 10 wrestlers that were put over by the veteran John Cena. Number 1, Kevin Owens. The first confrontation of KO's career on the main roster was with John Cena. The altercation led to a champion vs champion match at the Elimination Chamber pay-per-view. In the match, Owens shocked the world by defeating Cena clean. This win was a huge boost for Kevin Owens, although he eventually lost this feud, but his star was made.
Cena, hook of the leg! Owens got him! Owens got him! And he beat a 15-time world...
Number 2, Daniel Bryan. Daniel Bryan was easily the hottest thing in professional wrestling in 2013. Cena handpicked Daniel Bryan to face him for the WWE Championship at SummerSlam 2013. The match was a crucial point in Daniel Bryan's career as he defeated Cena, which helped to make him the biggest babyface of the company. Also not to forget, Cena worked the match with a gruesome and severe injury. Number 3, Dolph Ziggler. Ziggler and Cena feuded through the end of 2012. Dolph had to put his briefcase on the line against Cena at TLC. Ziggler held his own against the biggest star in the WWE and even won. It built him into a real world title contender and went on to become the world champion. Number 4, Sheamus. Sheamus in the late 2000s faced Cena in a WWE Championship tables match at TLC. During the match, when Cena went on to superplex Sheamus through a table, the Celtic Warrior pushed the champ off the top rope and threw a table to become the WWE Champion. He captured the major title just 166 days after making his WWE debut. At number 5, RVD. Rob Van Dam cashed in his Money in the Bank briefcase at the One Night Stand event in 2006. The WWE Champion John Cena was the public enemy number 1 in front of a hostile crowd, which elevated this match a great deal. Van Dam won the match with some assistance of Edge, and it was arguably the greatest moment of RVD's career.
Cover! What the hell? Yeah, I guess. All right.
Next is number 6, AJ Styles. John Cena and AJ Styles were put on a collision course in 2016-17. They faced off at SummerSlam, in which Styles not only beat Cena, but he beat him fair and square and became an instant overnight star in the company. The Phenomenal One even became the WWE Champion just a month later.
Got that phenomenal on Cena at SummerSlam.
Number 7, The Miz. In the year 2011, the A-lister worked his only WrestleMania main event match. Not only did The Miz win the main event of a WrestleMania, but he beat John Cena. Yes, The Rock interfered and Miz didn't win cleanly, but it doesn't matter. The Miz defeated John Cena at WrestleMania. Our next is Seth Rollins. We all remember when Seth Rollins beat John Cena at SummerSlam to win the US title. But in a few years after this happened, Seth Rollins defeated the two poster boys Roman Reigns and John Cena straight back to back in a Raw Gauntlet match. John did a tremendous job at putting Seth Rollins over as possible in their fabulous face-off.
The position! The stop! There's down! Rollins down! He did it!
Moving towards the end, at number 9, CM Punk. Cena and Punk were fighting for the world title at Money in the Bank 2011, and Punk's contract was coming to an end. In front of a molten hot Chicago crowd, John Cena put over CM Punk in a way no one thought he would, and in a way that made him virtually bulletproof for the rest of his run. At the end, number 10, Solo Sikoa. In a most recent example of Cena putting over talent came when John Cena convincingly put over Solo Sikoa. and made him look like a serious threat in Saudi Arabia back in Crown Jewel 2023.
And tonight, Solo Sikoa. John Cena is truly the greatest of all time.